I make a lot of simple parts out of sheet metal and also like 3D print stuff around the house. And here's a really cool technique I like to use with the surface extrude. And you can do it while you're still in the solid modeling tab. So make a sketch of like whatever it is. And it's got like, just real simple. Type S on your keyboard, extrude, and pick the surface extrude. Now click on the area, the sketch you want to extrude. Set the size, hit OK. And then since this is going to be like a sheet metal piece, it's going to have like a gauge thickness. So what you want to do is if you're going to add any fillets, add it now. Because then you can put it here. I'll put one here. I'll go like 0.2. That looks pretty good. Hit S on your keyboard again and type in Thicken. Click the body. And then we want it to be 0.04. And you have some options here, but you know, pretty easy. Hit OK. And now when you, let's say you want to change your fillet, since you've already done it, you just double click it there and then it'll change it. But if you don't do it at that one area, you'll have to have like 4 selections instead of 2. The other thing I need to do to this is add some holes to this flat area. I've already made the sketch of where I want the holes to be, and I've already forgotten what that size is. 1.45. But instead of actually doing an extrusion, I'll actually use the hole tool. And I'll go 1.45. Set the distance to all. Hit OK. And the reason I use the hole tool is when you're making parts, you always need to change the hole size. It just happens all the time. So it's pretty simple to change the hole size at that point. And you don't have to modify the sketch, you just modify the hole tool.